At Idealease, we offer daily truck rentals, which are rental trucks for customers who need a truck for a day, week, month, everything up to a year. Those are the trucks you'll see running around town with our logos on them. Secondly, we offer full-service truck leasing. Full-service truck leasing is in lieu of purchasing a truck. Okay, so the customer is committing to a longer term. The third service we offer is dedicated maintenance for those customers who want to continue to own their equipment, but they need somebody they can rely on to take care of their equipment.
The rental side of Idealease, anything a year or less would be considered rental. Anything a year or more would be leasing. So really day-to-day rental, you have a truck go down, you have hot shot load, you just need an extra truck for some reason, you would call us up and we'd put you in a truck. You know, our expertise, responsiveness, stability is our motto. It definitely sets us apart from the competition as far as rental and leasing side goes. We provide some of the best customer service around. I feel like we've got a good client base, rental client base that they can trust us to get them going and up on the road as soon as possible. Got my phone 24/7, so if you have a breakdown on the road, you'll be able to get me any time of the day, and I'll get you up and running as soon as possible.
So with our full service lease, customers are usually looking for either a program that's going to be convenient, reliable, or budgetable. At Idealease, we offer all three. We're buying the truck for them, financing it, getting it road ready with license tag, paying all the taxes, and also providing all the maintenance, scheduled, which would be preventive maintenance, and unscheduled, which would be repairs and road service. So under a dedicated maintenance program, our service department takes care of the customer-owned trucks just like they were ours. Okay, so they're getting the same service and attention that our lease and rental customers get. Except they own the trucks, and once we do work on their truck, we just bill them for it. If a customer runs trucks, eventually they're either going to have to rent a truck, purchase or lease a truck, or have their company-owned trucks worked on. The way Idealease is set up, we're a local company with benefits of a national company. Okay, if you're going inside Alabama anywhere, we got you covered. And if you're traveling anywhere outside the state of Alabama, we have you covered too. So if you'd like any information on Idealease for your company, please let us know.